All right, welcome millionaires and billionaires and future wills. Welcome to the Bulls Run Token Will Group. Here we assist you in becoming a will in crypto. So this live stream, guys, is to help you understand what it's going to take to build your wealth through crypto and what strategy is best uh, to implement and how we can help assist you in achieving that goal and also getting to your financial freedom and acquiring wealth during the process. So there's many strategies you can use to accelerate your wealth, and there's many avenues we can go. So the best thing we do is look for the best possible way that's effortless without working hard. So we all have to dismiss the notion that we need to work hard to achieve our goals, and the notion that, and also the myth that you have to work hard and constantly work hard to make money. But it's a false idea, and that ideology doesn't benefit anyone but people that's doing slave labor. So our strategy will be to look for the top 10, well, not just the top 10. I'm going to be making a list for the top 30 cryptos that's going to be doing at least minimum is 50x, minimum 50x to 10,000 x or more. So I'm creating a list, and I'm going to be posting that list into the Crypto Signal Will group for those that's already in the group. And there's roughly 30 members already in the group. So if you are passing through and you haven't heard about the Crypto Signal group, it's where uh, entry fee is $500, and within the first on your first trade you should make that 10x. You should make that $500 10x that $500 on the first uh, signal we give you. So there's plenty of cryptos in the Crypto Signal group. As long as you get in either one of them, you are surely to make that money 10 times over very quickly. So it's a no-brainer. And our strategy is to maximize our profits and also accelerate our wealth building process. So there's many ways. If you want to go to a location, there's many ways you can get there. You can go buy a bike, you can take a bicycle, you can take a motorcycle, which is a little bit faster, but you can take a plane, that's even more faster. So our idea is taking a jet to our destination. That way we get there a lot faster with minimum effort. So in order for us to do that, we created the Crypto Signal Whale Group to give you guys signals on what best crypto to move, what best crypto to invest in. We do the research, so you guys don't have to do that. So simply join the group, and you look out for the signals. And a lot of people are investing in mainstream cryptos such as Bitcoin, Ethereum. We don't recommending buying any of those because you're not going to make that much money buying Bitcoin. So let's say if you invest $1,000 in Bitcoin and Bitcoin move 100%, you're just gonna make $2,000. But if while Bitcoin is moving and it moved 100%, and you invest that $1,000 into a meme coin or a low cap coin, then that $1,000 can turn into millions, um, even a lot more than that. So that's what we look for. That's what we help you guys strategize to build your wealth very quickly. And what other ways to do that than to get into those projects that move very quickly and that's very volatile? Less than a 10x percent move doesn't really interest me. It has to be at least 10x. So I'm going to be sharing a video with you guys that shows you that also explains to you, so that way you can better have a better understanding of uh, the different routes it takes to get to wealth, different avenues, and you don't have to um, do the hard work. You don't have to do it hard, and a lot of people are trading the market blindly. They're buying in the green and getting out in the red. So, my expertise as an experienced trader, background, I used to trade Forex, transition into crypto. So my journey started since 2015. So I've gained the experience and I've also gained the losses. So you don't have to gain the losses because the journey did include a lot of losses. That's how you learn as well. So you're gonna incur losses if you're doing it alone, which I've experienced a lot. And trading, you're gonna lose at the beginning. So the key is the more you learn, the less you lose, and eventually you have a higher winning percentage. So our percentage winning rate is over 95%. So our accuracy is over 95%. So whatever crypto um, we tell you guys to get into, you know, over 95% of a chance you're not going to lose money, uh, because nothing is 100%. There's also that small risk. So what we do is minimize our risk. We don't leverage trade. We do spot trading, and based on the coins we get into, they sometimes they move faster than even if you were to put a leverage trade on. So we do spot trading, so you can kick back, relax, and you don't have to constantly look at your phone, and for you guys to maximize your profit. So I'm going to share we're just going to briefly look at the market and see what Bitcoin is attempting to do and what we look forward within the next few days, within the next few weeks. So welcome new crypto lovers, new crypto enthusiasts, anyone that's passing through, subscribe to the channel so you get to your financial freedom a lot more quickly. Because a lot of people is telling you buy Bitcoin, buy Ethereum. Guys, you're not going to make that much money buying Bitcoin, buying Ethereum. Even in a bull run, you know, Bitcoin's going to move, but it's going to take you a long time to get there. This is the idea of you can take a bicycle to the grocery store. You can take a car. Better yet, if you're going cross country, you can take a bicycle, but it'll take you days to get there. You can take a car, it'll take you about hours to get there, even 24 hours. If you take a jet, then you probably get there in like 45 minutes or less. So that's the idea, guys. So what we're going to show you guys is the results. That's it. We're not going to keep saying do this without showing the results. The result will definitely speaks for themselves. So let's briefly look at the market and see what we are doing. And for those that's interested into the crypto will signal will group, um, all the information is in the description below. You simply send your fund to the marketing wallet, and via airdrop or you can send us a message. We'll verify the funds and we'll invite you to the will crypto signal will group. And also, if you don't have, for any newcomers that doesn't know anything about crypto, because we understand you guys are going to be coming from all sides of investments, and because you're going to be seeing uh, the big potential in crypto. For those that's coming new, you can send, if you have CASHAPP, you can send CASHAPP. The information is in the description below as well. So we'll take a look at the market, guys, and see where Bitcoin is headed. All right. As stated earlier in the previous stream, guys, I've made a rectangle box where the biggest resistance is for not just crypto, but the entire market in general, because everything moves together. So we are seeing another small attempt. Remember, Bitcoin has to cross the moving average, which is the huge resistance here. Notice the moving average keep moving lower and lower and lower. So there is a smaller attempt. Bitcoin is right now is making a smaller attempt to break above it. Most likely, it doesn't seem like it's breaking because there is too much resistance. It has to retest support and then to move with speed to break resistance at the 28K, 30K level. And then that's when we'll know for sure. We'll see the next, uh, the next, uh, the next support. Yeah. So if we don't within the next 12 hours, Bitcoin will try another attempt to break support. I mean, not break support, break resistance. Resistance right now is currently at 2600, low 2600s. If it can't get to 27,000, which is around this area here, let's move the chart so you guys can see. Yeah, if it can't get to 27,000 and stay above this small support here, if it can't get to 27,800, let's just round it off to 28,000. I think I said 2,700. I meant 27,000. Notice our yellow line here, which is now it is resistance and support. If Bitcoin can get there and stabilize and stay there, then obviously we're going to see a lot lower prices, and which will bring Bitcoin to the low 20s, 20K levels. So we'll watch what Bitcoin does within the next 12 hours, guys. And right now, I'm going to share the video with you guys. Let's see here. I'm going to be sharing the video with you guys that explain many ways to get to the destination of your wealth. And there's different strategies, but during my experience, I've learned that uh, crypto is the best way to get to your wealth, and it's a lot quicker to get to your wealth. Nowhere can you explain to me you can make money that quickly or yet lose money that quickly. But the idea is to gain the experience, gain the knowledge, so that way uh, you use your skills to get to the goal. So we have the skills to help you guys get there, and as the Bull Run Token Will Group, and you know our strategy will help you get there, and the result will speak for themselves. So let me find this video. And for newcomers that's passing by, don't forget to subscribe so that way you get updated with the market and you get an understanding of how the market moves, how the market behaves. All right, let's grab this here. speaking to you guys, I was trying to monitor a coin. It just moved 200%. So I didn't get a opportunity because of the stream. I didn't get the opportunity to put in a trade. So let's see here. One moment, guys. Yeah, this video will better explain. This video will better explain what I'm trying to relate to you guys, the message I'm trying to relate to you guys. So as I stated earlier, there's many avenues you can use to get to your wealth. And the idea is finding the right one that works. And based on the experience, I gain as a trader, as a crypto investor, there's no other way you can make faster money than crypto. And having the right strategy is important and is key. Surrounding yourself with the right group as well is utmost important, and surrounding yourself with people with the right mindset. The key takeaway here, guys, is having the right mindset. So having the mindset of an investor, having the right mindset of, will my investment yield me greater income, greater profits? The you know the idea here is to fast track our way to our financial wealth, financial freedom, and get to our goal.
How do you get rich quick? Ever wonder why some people achieve financial freedom while others are stuck living paycheck to paycheck? Are you resigned to the standard life script, working for 40 long years to retire and only then start enjoying the fruits of your labor when your energy and time are running low? If these questions resonate with you, then buckle up. This is where your financial revolution begins. It all comes down to two paths: the slow lane and the fast lane, as described in MJ DeMarco's book, The Millionaire Fast Lane. It flips the script on traditional views of wealth creation. He boldly challenges the slow lane approach, a lifetime of hard work with little reward and an insecure retirement in an uncertain economy. Instead, he presents a daring and dynamic roadmap to riches: the fast lane. The fast lane isn't just about making money quickly. It's a radical shift in perspective that puts you in the driver's seat of your financial journey. It's about leveraging your true potential to create wealth and achieve financial independence now, not in the distant future. Today, we will unpack the groundbreaking fast lane philosophy, which offers you a tangible plan to wealth creation. We'll shatter some myths about wealth, explore the money tree that grows in your backyard, and ignite the mindset change needed to steer you onto the fast lane. Let's start our journey by understanding the status quo, what MJ DeMarco terms the slow lane. This is the well-trodden path, the financial roadmap most of us are taught from an early age. In the slow lane, the philosophy is straightforward. Pursue higher education, secure a well-paying job, consistently save a chunk of your earnings, invest in a diversified portfolio, and if all goes well, after decades of hard work, you'll be able to retire comfortably. Sounds familiar, doesn't it? There's an inherent sense of safety and predictability in the slow lane. After all, it's a clear-cut path, with societal approval and a sense of guaranteed stability. But here's where we need to hit the brakes and assess. Does the slow lane truly lead to the wealth and financial freedom we aspire for? There's no denying that the slow lane approach can accumulate wealth, but the glaring caveat is time. It's a long, drawn-out process, demanding years of your life, and by the time you've amassed enough wealth to enjoy it, you're nearing retirement. Essentially, the slow lane asks you to exchange the most productive years of your life for a promise of wealth in the future. The slow lane also renders you vulnerable to variables outside your control. Market fluctuations, inflation, job security, economic recessions. One unexpected twist, and carefully laid plans may veer off track. Therefore, while the slow lane might seem like the safe bet, it's a path riddled with constraints and uncertainties. The question we need to ask ourselves is, are we content toiling away our prime years for a shot at financial comfort in our sunset years? Or do we dare to explore an alternate route to wealth? A route that promises not just wealth, but financial freedom within our prime years, enabling us to live life on our own terms. That is the allure of the fast lane. This is where the traditional script is torn apart and the unconventional, exhilarating journey to wealth creation begins. In The Millionaire Fast Lane, MJ DeMarco doesn't merely introduce the concept of the fast lane. He throws down the gauntlet and invites us to step out of our comfort zones, to dare to desire wealth, and to want it sooner rather than later. The fast lane is a vastly different highway from its slow counterpart. It's less about steady employment and more about financial independence. Less about cautious saving and more about intelligent investing. Less about relying on others for your financial future and more about taking control. Intriguing? Absolutely. At the heart of the fast lane approach lies a singular truth. The control and command over your wealth creation is in your hands. The fast lane is not about getting rich quickly at the cost of sustainability. It's about getting rich faster by optimizing opportunities, maximizing the value you create, and minimizing the reliance on factors outside your control. Understand this. The fast lane is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a get-rich-smarter strategy. It's about understanding the fundamental principles of wealth creation and applying them intelligently to speed up your journey to financial freedom. The fast lane philosophy encourages us to harness the power of scalable business models and passive income sources. It presents an opportunity to cultivate and control our wealth-generating assets, rather than entrusting our future to an employer or volatile market conditions. In the fast lane, wealth isn't an eventual retirement reward, it's an accessible reality in the prime of your life, providing the freedom to live life on your own terms. The fast lane is not for everyone. It requires an adventurous spirit, an unconventional mindset, and a willingness to go against the norm. But for those who are willing to embrace the challenge, the fast lane isn't just a road to wealth. It's a highway to financial independence and life-changing freedom. So, are you ready to rev up your engines and shift into the fast lane? Before we continue, let me introduce you to a unique platform that will enrich your journey towards financial freedom, the Vibo Mastermind. Have you ever felt the desire to surround yourself with individuals who share your passion for success? Are you looking for a space where you can connect with fellow entrepreneurs, share insights, and collaboratively learn? If so, the Vibo Mastermind is where you need to be. The Vibo Mastermind isn't just a community. It's an exclusive VIP club of motivated individuals committed to becoming the best versions of themselves. This private group is a haven for those passionate about business and entrepreneurship, money-making strategies, investing in stocks and crypto, exploring the possibilities of AI, personal development, and mastering the mindset for success. This isn't a traditional mastermind. There's no prescribed content, no rigid webinar schedule. Instead, it's a vibrant, dynamic Discord channel where you can engage directly with me and other entrepreneurs. It's a space for open discussion, shared learning, and mutual growth. What sets the Vibo Mastermind apart is the ethos that binds its members, an unwavering commitment to success, and an unquenchable thirst for knowledge. Here, you'll find the camaraderie and collective wisdom that makes the path to success less daunting and a whole lot more inspiring. So, if you're tired of navigating your journey to success solo and are ready to join a circle of winners, consider this your personal invitation to the Vibo Mastermind. Sign up today and step into a world where success is not just an aspiration, but a shared commitment. You can find the link to the mastermind in the description below. Now, back to the millionaire fast lane. Once you've decided to hit the fast lane, you need to familiarize yourself with the fast lane's unique wealth equation. Unlike the slow lane, where wealth equals money multiplied by time, in the fast lane, wealth equals net profit plus asset value. Here's the beauty of it. This equation isn't bound by time or the traditional ceilings of a 9-to-5 job. Instead, it relies on the power of multiplication rather than addition, amplifying your wealth-building potential. Let's break it down further. In the fast lane, your net profit is the cash your business or investment generates after all the expenses are accounted for. This can then be reinvested into growing your business, further enhancing the asset value of the business. The asset value is the price someone is willing to pay for your business or investment if you decide to sell it. The multiplier effect inherent in the fast lane wealth equation allows you to build wealth exponentially, not linearly. For example, if your business creates a unique product that sells globally, your net profit and the value of your business can multiply rapidly as your product gains popularity. This is a stark contrast to the slow lane, where your income is tethered to the hours you work and the annual increments you receive. This equation might seem intimidating at first, especially if you're transitioning from a traditional job. But remember, the fast lane is about seizing control of your financial destiny. You're no longer reliant on an employer or the whims of the job market. You are the driver, and the route to wealth creation is in your hands. Next, we'll delve into the mindset that fuels the fast lane, explore scalable business models, and shed light on how you can leverage opportunities to create passive income sources. While the slow lane mentality is largely passive, accepting financial circumstances as they come, the fast lane mindset is proactive, constantly seeking to control and manipulate the financial trajectory to one's advantage. This is the mindset that fuels successful entrepreneurs and innovators. They see the world not as it is, but as it could be. They don't wait for opportunities, they create them. They don't merely respond to changes, they're the agents of change. The fast lane mindset is, in essence, an attitude of empowerment. It's about taking responsibility for your financial future and actively shaping it to suit your dreams and aspirations. It's crucial to remember that this mindset isn't about reckless risk-taking. Instead, it's about informed, calculated decisions that maximize rewards and minimize risks. It's about constant learning, adaptation, and evolution to stay ahead of the curve. Embracing the fast lane mindset is the first step towards financial independence. But a mindset alone, no matter how strong, needs a robust vehicle to drive on the fast lane. That vehicle is your business model. The fast lane approach emphasizes scalable and replicable business models. It's about creating systems that can serve hundreds, thousands, or even millions of people. It's not about trading hours for dollars, but creating value that can be leveraged over and over again. The key here is to understand the concept of scale. A scalable business model allows you to serve an increasing number of customers without a proportional increase in resources or costs. For example, a software company can sell thousands of copies of its software without significant additional cost, making its business model highly scalable. The replicable business model, on the other hand, is about creating a business that can be easily replicated across different markets or regions, ensuring a broader reach and more significant impact. Think of how franchises work, a replicable business model that can be duplicated in different locations, serving a multitude of customers. Once you've established a scalable and replicable business model, the next fast lane concept is creating passive income sources. The goal here is to break free from the chains of active income, where you're trading your time for money, and instead, create income streams that continue to generate revenue even when you're not actively working. This can be achieved through various strategies, from creating a high-demand product that sells round the clock, investing in real estate that provides regular rental income, or building a high-traffic blog that earns advertising revenue. The focus is on building assets that work for you, even when you're not working. In essence, the fast lane approach is about liberating yourself from the constraints of time and the limitations of active income. It's about architecting a life where you're not just surviving, but truly thriving, financially and personally. All right, we're nearing the end of our journey today. The fast lane, as you've seen, is not just about getting rich quickly, but about creating wealth in a smarter, more efficient manner. It's about understanding that time is our most precious asset, and we must use it wisely to create lasting, impactful wealth. But as we mentioned earlier, the fast lane isn't for everyone. It requires courage, determination, and a commitment to break from the norm. It involves risk, but with the right mindset and strategies, those risks can lead to immense rewards. Remember, the fast lane is about more than just money. It's about freedom. Freedom to live life on your own terms. Freedom to enjoy the fruits of your labor now, not in some distant future. Freedom to take control of your financial destiny. The fast lane isn't a shortcut or an easy path. It's a different path. It requires hard work, strategic planning, and above all, a strong belief in yourself and your ability to create wealth. But if you're ready to take the leap, the rewards can be life-changing. Not only will you achieve financial independence, but you'll also gain the satisfaction of knowing that you took control of your financial future. Before we wrap up, don't forget to consider joining the Vibo Mastermind. This exclusive community is designed to support your journey on the fast lane, offering valuable insights, discussions, and the camaraderie of like-minded individuals all pursuing financial freedom. The link's in the description below. Remember, the journey to wealth doesn't have to be a slow, painstaking process. With the right mindset, strategies, and determination, you can hop on the fast lane and speed up your journey to financial independence. So keep pushing for success and let the fast lane principles guide you towards the life of abundance you deserve. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vibo for more content to help you on your journey to financial freedom. See you in the next video.